back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mia. I make videos for the girls that just want to experiment with their hair, don't know what they're doing, don't have a clue, and baby, that's what I'm doing today. Okay, I've never done knotless before. I've done crochet knotless, but I've never done the actual feed-in knotless, so I might struggle a little bit in this video, and that's fine. So I'm gonna start off by sectioning my hair. I tend to struggle with parting, but I feel like I'm getting a little bit better. Y'all see, your girl, it's all about growth. It's all about the growth. So these will be jumbo knotless, so I am doing very large parts. Make sure you add the edge control. I don't put too much edge control in my hair because it dries my hair out and gives me an itchy scalp. But if you want it super neat, I would suggest adding way more edge control than me. I just know how my scalp is and I would rather not. So now I'm trying to feed in this hair and I'm just going off an instinct at this point. So I'm grabbing the hair with like my thumb and my pointy finger, and then I'm using one piece of the fake hair to kind of just flap out. And I just keep doing that. And yes, my first braid was a struggle. The back is always a little bit harder for me. Y'all, I'm not a hairstylist. I'm not a braider. Like, y'all know this, so don't expect too much from me. So let's try it again. Gripping the hair with my thumb and my pointy finger, and then the other side of the hair I am just leaving out to braid in. I was going more for the thickness and not length, so I only added like 2 or 3 pieces to the braid, but it's giving a little, you know, that knotless braid got a little knot in it, but it's fine. We're gonna improve. So now I'm sectioning off my second part. This section, I'm only adding 3 parts. We do want this to be a little bit neater than the bottom one, so go ahead and add a little edge control to the part and then part again. I'm telling you, it will make your parts look so clean and neat. Add the edge control and braid. I'm an underhand braider, so if it looks uncomfortable how I'm braiding, it's because it is. Like, that's why I've never tried knotless braids before, because I braid very retarded. But I'm trying to make it work and it looked like I'm doing something so far. Again, just grip one side of the fake hair with your thumb and your pointy finger, and then the other side, just let it float on top with your natural hair, and then keep braiding. I mean, that knotless got a little knot in it too, but it's a little less noticeable. See? Improvement. Don't forget to brush and comb through your hair so it can look very slick and neat. We already don't know what we're doing, so we got to make this look as neat as possible. braid, and it's getting a lot better. Like, the more you do it, the more comfortable you will get with the braids. Like I said, it do got a little knot in it, but it's fine. If you're looking that close to my braids, you need to back up. The front was way easier for me, so I can really like show y'all what's up on this part. But yeah, so I'm just braiding. And like I said, I am gripping the fake hair with my thumb and my pointy finger. And then the other side of the fake hair, I'm just letting float out with the natural hair, and I just continue to braid. I've never done nothing like this before, and I was kind of just going with the flow as I was doing this because I didn't know how I wanted my hair. I just not needed my hair done. So I was like, let me try something new and put these knotless braids in my head. And look at me struggling. That's what I get. But anyway, we're going to figure it out. And just braid. Y'all, I'm telling you, like, the neater your parts and the slicker your hair is, even if your braids look retarded, like, they'll still be cute. Just make sure you slick your hair, do your baby hair, and it's gonna look like it's on purpose, bro. Can't nobody tell you you didn't do your hair like that on purpose. Just be like, this the new style, period. I went out and everybody was like, your hair is so cute, I love your hair. And I was like, thank you, thank you. Of a close-up of what I'm doing. Like I said, I'm an underhand braider, so I know my braiding technique looks retarded, but it definitely get the job done. And I hope I helped you guys. I'm gonna try knotless braids again, but like smaller ones, and I'll try to be a little bit more detailed in the other video. But this, I really was just winging it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and now I'm about to cut the ends. Braiding, but some of them I kind of lost it, so I'm gonna do it like right here. Yeah, okay, yes. Wrapping. Look, it looked like it was meant to be like that. This other one. I thought I had another cold one. I mean, I had 3 packs of hair, so that would be... Alright, that looks a little different, but whatever. Or maybe I should add it like mid. Cuff.